Meron tayong mentality na bahala na si God, which is not really appropriate in entrepreneurship. Kung sasabihin natin, papasok ko sa business tapos bahala na si Lord. Para bang hindi na kailangan magkaroon ng due diligence, hindi na kailangan mag-evaluate, hindi na kailangan alamin yung market, bahala na si Lord. May mali kasi in the Bible, we're actually stewards of the owner. And God owns everything. Alam naman natin yun. And we're stewards. Kung sasabihin natin as stewards, bahala na si owner. Hindi tayo steward, Kasi we're supposed to manage, So, as followers of Jesus, hindi natin pwede sabihin, bahala na si Lord. In-entrust sa atin yung resources, in-entrust sa atin yung business, tayo magmamanage. Ibig sabihin, kailangan alamin natin yung pasikot-sikot. And before we even enter a business, kinakailangan we minimize risk by studying it, evaluating the market, and doing due diligence. So, saan nanggaling yung bahala na? I remember doon sa aming history class, ang God ng Pilipino before Christianity came to the Philippines is Bathala. They call him Bathala. And nanggaling yung Bathala na yan doon sa bahala na si God. And I think it's coming into our psyche na bahala na nga si God, Kung ganun yung ating pagpapatakbo ng business, bahala na siya. Papasok ako kasi mukhang maganda, nabalitaan ko maganda, tapos bahala na si God. Ano mangyayari? We are actually depending on luck, hindi kay God, kasi hindi makikialam si God doon sa hindi niya responsibility. Binigay niya yung responsibility sa atin, hindi siya magiging bahala.